we will take a review of midterm content, and our midterm presentation focus on three content. In the part one, current state of Shanghai International Commercial Port on part of infrastructure development, and with part two, analysis of the concept of digital transformation technology problem faced by Shanghai International Commercial Port. And part three, we review current small crop policy implementation and effectiveness to return to digital transformation technologies. And in part one, we introduce overview of Shanghai Port. And Shanghai Port is located in Shanghai City, combining deep sea port and inland river port, operated by Shanghai International Port Group. And Shanghai Port is one of the most basic container port in the world since 2010. With it handled 43.3 million TEU after 2019 for a single year, and it had four main port areas. Yangtze Water Port, most advanced and fully automated. Waikou Port area, also called Terminal and Huangpu River Terminal. And Shanghai Port is located have strategical location, and its surrounding it have interline connectivity to 25 inland cities via a sea rail intermodal system, and integration into global shipping network like Asia Aero, America shipping route. Surrounding it with important industrial commercial zone of China. So the commercial or industrial zone can provide to a larger cargo source. And they have to handle a large cargo volume for a single year. So they use some digital technology to improve their operational performance with digital twin system, AI-based scheduling, and industrial wireless network like 4.5G or 5G, and big data analytics to predict maintaining and demand forecasting. And as like Yangtze 5 is equipped automated guide vehicle, and with 121 units of automated stacking cranes and remote control cranes. And here's some efficiency improvement by using technology in port operation. And also they face some digital transformation technology problem like fragmented data government or cyber security risks. And they also face the imbalance between capital and human development. And to continue our presentation today for our final term, we would like to discuss about two content of Shanghai Port digital transformation, we perform, we provide some advantages, and these advantages present part strategy for Shanghai Port, and we provide improvement measure on smart port strategy in response to the digital transformation technology problem. And finally, we make a conclusion and suggestion. And first of all, with advantages of digital technology will provide some we look at the chart. It shows the Shanghai port handle 42 million TEU in 2024, and the gap between Shanghai with every other port is not small, and it is the foundation for everything. After and they use the automation, and here look at the chart is the comparison of automation score between Shanghai Freight Flight, Singapore port and Rotterdam port. And look at the chart, we can see Yangsan Freight Flight use fully automation equipment, but with Singapore port and Rotterdam port, they just use semi-automated or digital twin and IoT. And Yangsan Freight Flight operate 125 units of AGV fleet, but Singapore and Rotterdam just run smaller fleet. And remote controlling can reach around 100 away with Yangsan Freight Flight, but Shanghai port and Rotterdam just run inside terminal only. And AI technology, Shanghai have a unique technology edge. And Shanghai is the one major port running a fully domestically developed by terminal operating system with zero, no foreign software dependency. But Rotterdam and Singapore port, they have to rely on foreign vendor system for core terminal operation. And in 2025, China published one AI platform called Yi-Chih. And so in 2026, Shanghai and Tianjin port begin using Yi-Chih AI model for operational optimization and optimization. And in 2025, Shanghai port completes China's first fully digital bunkering operation using an electronic bunker delivery node system. And they also run a global shipping business network, has issued 680,000 blockchain electronic bill of lading, reducing import document processing time from days to hours. And with AI power system at IPG to analyze real time operational data to predict bottleneck before they occur and proactively reschedule container movement, claim assignment, and resource allocation. And IoT device will continuous monitoring of equipment and cargo, setting real-time alerts to control room at the first sign, reducing unplanned downtime and renewal inspection requirement. And for trade document, I just maintain Shanghai's port is issue 680,000 electronic bill of lading, but compared to Rotterdam, they just still a pilot stage, and Shanghai's trade single window system can connect to Chinese government department and with 600K business. And Shanghai port still have some disadvantage of digital transformation, like they also face some cyber security problem. And as Shanghai port run automated planes, Yi-Chih define and bird system connect to information technology IT network, and so they will face some cyber attack surface depend traumatically. And like the Yangsan Phase 5 run on one central control system. If a hacker breaks into that one system, it can shut down the entire terminal. And some research on energy management system of Shanghai Yangsan Phase 5 specifically identify system and integration data quality issue and lack of standardization as critical operational challenge. And because Yangsan Phase 5 run different sensor and issue different formats. Some have happen some error, and some have delay in sending data. Cause Shanghai Yangsan Phase 5 just only achieve 30% movement control efficiency. And here is the inflexibility in adopting the technology of Shanghai port. Because Shanghai port handle a large cargo volume with around 55 million TEU every year, non-stop 20 hours a day and 7 days a week. This method side is great strength, but it also is big trap when it comes to upgrading technology. And the port congestion problem still exists even after years of digital development. And outside their flagship, Yangsan terminal delay digitization has directly hurt operational efficiency and customer service in other parts of the port. And to respond to deal with some disadvantage of Yangsan Shanghai's port digital transformation, Shanghai's port provide some response to deal with the problem. And here we provide the three response, and we respond one data, iteration, fragmentation, unified digital hub architecture, and response tool inflexibility as well, phrase retro phase strategy, and response three to handle implements of human and capital. And in report one, Yi-Chih solution is to build one single platform that collect all container transfer data from every terminal, every truck, every ship, and puts it into one unified system backed by blockchain technology for security and accuracy. And FA or Technology Information Department General Manager as the comprehensive data iteration hub for the transportation system, covering the entire train of container transport. And they also run a plan to run a platform 2.0 in the future, showing as IPG sees this as a long-term continuous improvement program. And we report to Integral trying to replace the entire digital system all at once. It's to Ricky and IPG upgrades one terminal at a time. For example, Santon Port proved that retrofitting existing terminal port 70% less than building brand new one. Shanghai adopted this as their standard template. And another example, a new TOS system at launching container terminal, a fully automated AI control system, deploy one an existing terminal achieving complete automation without even shutting down operation, and the port keep working while the upgrade happened. And return to workforce display. And Shanghai Maritime University Shanghai Maritime University and IPG collaboration, and they focus on producing graduate skill in automation, engineering, industrial IoT and digital system integration. And another example, Shanghai Chartered University and China Costco Corporation collaboration to export Chinese smart card standard to global. And here finally we make a conclusion. First one, Shanghai's port experience with digital transformation before a consistent pattern. Technology deliver measurable performance gain while creating new categories of vulnerability that did not exist in the analog era. And they also have the advantage are concrete and quantified. And they also still the advantage are the direct by product the same skill, and they have to handle in the future. And my presentation
Finish.
finished.
It's I like